In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a chat and make calls with Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a versatile communication and collaboration platform that's part of the Microsoft 365 suite. Whether you're working from home, in an office, or on the go, Teams enables you to stay connected with your colleagues and manage your conversations efficiently. Let's walk through the process together. First, you need to open Microsoft Teams. You can do this by launching the Teams app on your desktop or opening it in a web browser. Once you're in, you'll see the main screen, which is divided into different sections on the left sidebar, including Activity, Chat, Teams, Calendar, Calls, and Files. For our purpose today, we'll be focusing on the Chat and Calls sections. Let's start by initiating a chat. Click on the Chat icon located on the left sidebar. This will bring up a list of your recent conversations. At the top of the Chat section, you'll see a New Chat button represented by a pencil icon. Go ahead and click on that. A new chat window will appear on the right. Now, in the space labeled To, you need to enter the recipient's name, email address, or phone number if they are in your organization or contact list. Teams will auto-suggest contacts as you type, which makes it a lot easier to find the person you're looking for. Once you've selected your contact, type your message in the message box at the bottom, and hit enter to send it. Now, let's move on to making calls. Click on the Calls icon on the left sidebar. If you have contacts saved, you'll see them in this section, making it easy to reach them quickly. But, if you want to call someone not in your contacts, don't worry. Simply go to the Make a Call section. Enter the name or number in the search bar. Microsoft Teams supports both voice and video calls. If your intention is to make a voice call, click on the phone icon next to the contact's name. For video calls, click on the camera icon. The call will launch, and if you've chosen video, remember that both you and the recipient need cameras enabled. You'll notice a toolbar at the bottom of the call interface with options to mute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, and share your screen. To conclude the call, simply press the red phone icon on this toolbar. During any call, you can add more participants by clicking the Add People option and selecting additional contacts. This is a great feature for quick team meetings or ad hoc group discussions. That's all it takes to start chatting and making calls using Microsoft Teams. With these easy steps, you'll be able to streamline your communication and collaborate more efficiently with your team. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this video helps enhance your experience with Microsoft Teams.